In this video, I will show you how to download and install the Honeygain app. Go to Google and search for Honeygain. Go to their website and select the download option. Here, you will want to download the appropriate installer based on your operating system. Download the installer and open it from your Downloads folder. Follow through with the installation process. The app will open automatically, and you will need to agree to the terms of use and create an account. Don't worry about the network overused warning. I already have a previous account set up. Now, let's create an account. Click on the Create an Account with Email button. Now, click on the Honeygain dashboard. This will take you to the browser version. On there, select this Confirm Email button. Now head over to your email to find the verification email. You may need to check your spam email for this. Click on the Confirm email and you will be taken back to the Honeygain dashboard on your browser. If you go to your Honeygain app after an hour, you will see some data accumulated and how much you have shared. If you close the app, it will be running in the background. Click on here to see the icon. Then you can click on the Honeygain icon to open it again. That's it. Thanks for watching.